It's Brandon from Kickstart PPC here, and today I'm going to be going through a really underrated feature that's been on Scale Insights for quite a while, but if you know how to use it, you'll be able to use it to not only grow your business, but also dive really deep into the numbers and specific things within your brand. So to jump straight in, this is a brand that we've been working on for about a month now, and this is the last year's figures, so you can get a pretty overall idea on the brand. So to get straight into it, a lot of people will go into the child section and they'll go by child ASIN. So they'll be seeing like, okay, this product has this much profit, this product has this much, this is our margin, and they'll be trying to make things based on what a particular product's margin is. Now, I think they're missing the greater picture here. I think you should be going on the parent section and, click the drop down here for the parent section, and then you can also find out what's going on within each product. So to give you a bit of an example, this product here that has it's lost 20%, it's got a 20% negative margin on this. It's basically down to the fact that this is a loss leader. So it's got a lower price point, and this is what a lot of the ads are showing up for. And as a result, these other ASINs here that are higher priced, these are getting a lot of the traffic. So the main thing this tells us is perhaps either we want to start decreasing the ad spend to this loss leader here and maybe running campaigns specifically for these higher price variations. This may decrease the margin on these variations, but you might find that the conversion rate is better and the ads are more profitable to run. Next, you might want to decide to either increase these other ASINs prices to increase the margin. That's more in the situation where you want to keep running a loss leader and you want to keep capitalizing on that lower price to be a lead magnet to bring people in. And in that case, you want to try and increase as much profit as possible on the other products. Now, if you start increasing the prices on these products, that could impact conversion rate. So you want to do some research on this first, but having the data here to be able to analyze it properly is pretty important for your business. So if you haven't already done this before, I'd recommend you check this out. And this is more for products with 3 or 4 variations, variations where there's different sizes, different colors. Maybe one of them has a different price point than the others. Maybe this could be the higher priced variation that's the loss leader, and then the lower ones are making more profit. And maybe you see that and you want to say, hey, okay, I'm going to shift the ads from that losing variation down to the other ones and see what happens. So if you have any questions, definitely feel free to reach out. At Kickstart, this is what we do. We focus on PPC full time. We've got a pretty small dedicated team, so we use Scale Insights and know all the features of this platform. So definitely reach out if you have any questions, and we'll be happy to help you out. Thanks.